Hi and welcome to edulary.com. We have already learned the trick of subtraction without borrowing by Vedic method. But when the subtraction is to be performed from bases or multiple of bases, then it is just the matter of seconds or subtraction at a glance. In this session, we'll learn to perform subtraction of numbers from the bases. There are 4 possible cases where we have to slightly modify the methods of subtraction depending upon the diversity of calculations relevant to the category of bases. So, let's know them one by one. Case 1. To subtract a number from any base or from multiples of bases, we use a very simple formula, that is, all from 9 and last from 10. Yes, it is the same formula that we use to find the complement of a given number. For example, if a sum is like 10,000 minus 4, 2, 3, 6, then the solution to this sum is similar to finding the complement of number 4, 2, 3, 6. Thus, applying the formula all from 9 and last from 10, we get complement of number 4236 as 5, 7, 6, 4. Remember, for the number to be subtracted, the number of digits should be equal to the number of zeros in the base. Let's examine case 2. If we are asked to subtract the number from a bigger base, then make sure that the number of digits in the number to be subtracted are exactly equal to the number of zeros in the base. If the number of digits are not equal to the number of zeros in base, then just add the required number of zeros before the number. This is just an arrangement to help us in determining the complement of the number to perform quick subtraction. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose that the number 32 is to be subtracted from the base 10,000. Here, base 10,000 has 4 zeros, while 32 is a 2-digit number. So, we'll simply add 2 zeros before the number 32 so that it becomes 0, 0, 3, 2. With this addition of zeros, it becomes easier to find the complement of number 0, 0, 3, 2. And for this, we'll simply subtract all the digits from 9 and the last digit from 10. Thus, 9 minus 0 gives 9 at thousands place. Then, moving on to the next digit, 9 minus 0 again gives 9 but at hundreds place. Further, 9 minus 3 gives 6 at tens place. And finally, we get the number 8 at units place on subtracting the number 2 from the number 10. Note that the same formula is applicable for the decimals as well, but make sure that the number of digits before the decimal are exactly equal to the number of zeros in the base. For an instance, to subtract the decimal number 63.492 from the base 1000, we'll simply add a 0 before the decimal number so that the number of zeros in base and the number of digits before the decimal become equal. Therefore, on performing subtraction, we get 936.508 as an answer. Let's take a look at case 3. Now, if we need to subtract the number from multiple of bases like 200, 3000, 40,000 and so on, then simply reduce 1 from the multiple of base and write the complement of number which is to be subtracted. Let's understand it with an example. To subtract the number 749 from 4000, we'll reduce 1 from the multiple of base. Here, the multiple of base is 4000. So, on reducing 1 from 4, we get 3 at thousands place. And now, we'll simply write the complement of number 749 as 251. However, 4000 minus 749 equals to 3251. In case if the number of digits in the number to be subtracted are not equal to the number of zeros in the multiple of base, then just add the required number of zeros before the number. Consider an example where the number 83 is to be subtracted from the multiple of base 7000. In this case, we'll add a 0 at the beginning of number 83 in order to form it as a 3-digit number, since there are 3 zeros in the multiple of base 7000. Thus, 7000 minus 083 gives 6917, where we get 6 on reducing 1 from 7 and the remaining digits 917 by taking the complement of number 083. Case 4. Let's also understand the trick to perform subtraction when both the numbers comprise equal number of digits. Suppose that we have to subtract the number 2, 4, 9, 5 from the multiple of base 9000. Since both the numbers have equal number of digits, we'll subtract the digits on the leftmost side of both the numbers. That is, 9 minus 2 equals to 7. And again reducing 1 from 7, we get 6 at thousands place. Further, we'll take the complement of remaining digits 495 and that is equal to 505. Thus, we get 6505 as an answer. In this way, subtraction is no longer a difficult task as we can perform subtraction of even bigger numbers at one look. Thanks for watching the video and stay tuned to know more tricks of Vedic Maths.